Have you ever found yourself in a situation where your crush seems to be ignoring you, leaving you confused and frustrated? If you're watching this video, it means you're not just curious, but also keen on understanding the subtleties of human psychology. You want to improve yourself, and you want to be in the top 1%. Today, we're diving into 11 effective strategies to employ when your crush ignores you. These tips will help you maintain your confidence, reassess the situation, and make informed decisions about your next steps. Let's explore how to handle this challenging scenario with grace and poise. Number 1, stay calm and composed. When your crush ignores you, it's easy to feel hurt and frustrated. However, reacting impulsively can make the situation worse. Take a deep breath, stay calm, and avoid making any rash decisions. This calm demeanor will help you think clearly and respond thoughtfully. For instance, instead of sending a series of frantic messages asking why they haven't replied, take a step back and give them space. Staying composed shows maturity and can prevent misunderstandings from escalating. Keeping your emotions in check also helps you think logically and decide the best course of action. Number 2, give them space. Sometimes people need space for various reasons that have nothing to do with you. Respect their need for distance and avoid bombarding them with messages or attempts to get their attention. Giving your crush space can often lead to them reaching out when they're ready. This approach demonstrates respect for their boundaries and can lead to a more positive interaction in the future. It's essential to recognize that everyone has their own pace, and sometimes a little breathing room can work wonders in bringing them closer to you in the long run. Number 3, reflect on your actions. Take some time to reflect on your recent interactions with your crush. Consider if there's anything you might have said or done that could have caused them to distance themselves. Self-awareness is key to understanding the dynamics at play and making any necessary adjustments in your behavior. For example, if you realize you've been too pushy or demanding, you can take steps to be more considerate in future interactions. Understanding your own behavior can help you avoid making the same mistakes and improve your chances of a successful connection in the future. Number 4, focus on self-improvement. Use this time to focus on your personal growth and self-improvement. Engage in activities that make you feel confident and fulfilled. This not only helps you distract yourself from the situation, but also makes you more attractive and interesting in the eyes of your crush. Whether it's pursuing a hobby, working out, or learning something new, investing in yourself can boost your confidence and overall well-being. Self-improvement is a journey that benefits you in many aspects of life, including your interactions with others. Number 5, communicate openly. If the situation persists and it's bothering you, consider having an open and honest conversation with your crush. Politely ask if everything is okay and express your feelings without being accusatory. Clear communication can help clarify any misunderstandings and show your crush that you're mature enough to handle such situations. For example, you might say, "I've noticed we haven't been talking as much lately. Is everything okay?" This approach can open the door to resolving any issues and moving forward positively. Number 6, engage with other friends. Don't let your crush's behavior consume all your attention. Spend time with your friends and engage in social activities. This will not only distract you, but also remind you that there are many other important people in your life who value your company. Socializing can provide emotional support and help you maintain a balanced perspective. Your friends can offer valuable insights and advice, helping you navigate the situation with your crush more effectively. Number 7, keep busy. Staying busy with your own interests and responsibilities can prevent you from overthinking the situation. Focus on your work, hobbies, and other commitments. Keeping yourself occupied will reduce the temptation to obsess over your crush's behavior. Plus, being productive can improve your mood and self-esteem. When you're engaged in meaningful activities, you'll find it easier to let go of negative thoughts and maintain a positive outlook. Number 8, avoid playing games. It might be tempting to play hard to get or use other manipulative tactics to get your crush's attention. However, these games can backfire and create more confusion. Instead, be genuine and straightforward in your approach. Authenticity is more likely to build a strong and healthy connection. Treating your crush with honesty and respect sets a positive foundation for any potential relationship. Playing games might provide short-term satisfaction, but it rarely leads to lasting, meaningful connections. Number 9, evaluate your feelings. Take this time to evaluate your own feelings. Are you truly interested in your crush, or is it the idea of them that you're attracted to? Sometimes distance can help you gain clarity on your true emotions. This self-reflection can guide your future actions and decisions regarding the situation. Understanding your feelings can prevent you from investing time and energy into a relationship that may not be right for you. Being honest with yourself about your emotions is a crucial step in making informed and healthy decisions. Number 10, respect their decision. If your crush continues to ignore you despite your efforts, it might be their way of indicating that they're not interested. Respect their decision and avoid taking it personally. Not everyone will reciprocate your feelings, and that's okay. It's important to accept this reality and move on gracefully. Respecting their decision shows maturity and helps you maintain your dignity. Remember, rejection is a natural part of life, and how you handle it can significantly impact your personal growth and future relationships. Number 11, focus on the future. Lastly, remember that this experience is just a part of your journey. Learn from it and use it to grow as a person. There will be other opportunities for love and connection in the future. Keep a positive outlook and stay open to new possibilities. Focusing on the future allows you to move forward with optimism and confidence, knowing that better experiences await. Every relationship, whether successful or not, teaches you something valuable that can help you in your future endeavors. Conclusion. Navigating the complexities of unreciprocated feelings can be challenging, but by staying calm, reflecting on your actions, and focusing on self-improvement, you can handle the situation with grace. Remember, it's important to respect both your feelings and those of your crush, and to approach the situation with maturity and empathy. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like the video, share your thoughts in the comments below, and subscribe to our channel. Hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest content. Thanks for watching.